Y'all, welcome back to Resin. Today we're going to pour this little truck mold, and I'm going to drill a hole in him and use him as a Christmas ornament. I'm going to have Christmas ornaments out my ears, but I put up 4 Christmas trees, so. I got a comment from a viewer. Matters of the Heart says that the levels of my volume in the videos are up and down. She said the music is really loud and my voice is really low, so she has to constantly use the remote control to change it up and down. Just so y'all know, I checked my software that I use for my editing, and I can turn my volume up and down. So I have adjusted that for you. So let me know in the comments if that sounds better for you. I appreciate you telling me that. Thank you. All right, y'all. Let's pour this truck. Oh, I'm going to put some alcohol in it because there's a lot of places that bubbles can hide. You know, I'll probably spray way too much alcohol, but I'm a hairstylist, so I'm used to spraying, doing a lot of sprays to get, somebody's hair wet to cut it. Alrighty. My table's not level. Hey y'all, we're gonna demold these. Oh, I didn't turn my little light on, so make it a little bit brighter. There we go. I have done a lot of these. These are just extras that I pour. This one is messed up. See? I don't know how I can fix that, but we'll see. We'll put that in the to be fixed pile. Or create a to be fixed pile. I love these little black snowflakes. I don't know why, but I do. And our truck. I got this mold at Hobby Lobby. It's a cute little truck. And then we're going to fill that in. I wish y'all could tell me what color you wanted to see on this truck. I always tend to go red. Don't know why. But let's do him in a different color today. Today, let's do him. Let me see what I got here. I'm going to see if I can find a blue. I'd like to get a blue. So hold on just one second. I'll be right back. I'm just going to color in the door handle and the windows with my chrome pen. I don't tend to talk too much when I'm concentrating, so sorry about the silence, y'all. I'm just going to kind of outline the tires with a chrome pen here. I don't like the way that looks, so I'm just going to get that off, and I'm going to, I guess, just do like the center caps, I guess, or maybe some wheel. I'm just going to color in the center part of the circles here. We'll see how that looks. I like that better than just the outline, but I don't really like that either. So I don't really know what to do, but I'm just going to leave it chrome and do both of them that way. It's so hard to decide what you're going to do. But I think if I did blue, I think it would be too much blue in the truck. What do y'all think? I think it needs a little bit of chrome with it too. I love a black vehicle. I think the prettiest vehicle is black, especially when they're clean. The past few vehicles I've gotten, they've been black. I love those black vehicles. I think they're so pretty and clean. Now let's start filling it in blue. I tend not to talk, y'all, when I'm concentrating, so I'm going to speed it up for you, and I'm going to play you some delightful music to go with it. All right, I mixed up. I got this new UV light, and I mixed up. This is just a trial. I mixed up some pigment paste in it. I'm afraid it's not going to cure, but this is just a test because I got this new machine. So I'm going to see if the pigment paste will cure in this awesome new UV machine. So we'll see. My mother-in-law told me a story one time about my husband Mike, him and his grandpa hanging out, a lot because he just lived right down the street from them. And she said it was normal for him to go by several times a day, to run an errand or just to go to the store to pick something up or whatever. Said they'd go by and they would wave, of course. And said one day, I think she said Mike was like 13, 14 years old. And she said, one day I was out on the front porch and they drove by and Michael was driving. This is the kind of truck that I pictured my husband, a 13 or 14-year-old boy, driving. And as a grandparent with 13 and 14-year-old grandchildren, hey, you got to do what you got to do for them kids to visit with you and spend time with you, because they have their friends and stuff and want to go do things with them, and that's fine. But don't forget about grandmas and nanas. I'm going to put this in the curing machine and we'll see if this will work real quick. All right. It cured it, you guys. Oh my goodness. It cured it. I need to get that bumper painted. My husband does auto body and paint, and him and my son, Mikey, which is Mike Jr., they have a body shop, and they paint and do cars. So I don't know if this will meet their expectations or not. But just remember, you guys, I cut hair. I don't do body painting and stuff. Maybe I should have let them paint it. That would have been interesting, wouldn't it? Okay, I'm gonna call that done. What do y'all think? I like the blue. It's a little different than the red. I don't like the tires, but oh well. See y'all next video. Hope you enjoyed watching.